Inspiration comes from everything. I'm super curious about the world around me, and I think that really informs my process and the way that I create images. Whatever the work is, I think the foundations has always been the same, and that's how do I connect with the person that I'm photographing.
Open and look at me.
You don't have to have the most expensive camera. I had a really camera for a long time because I couldn't afford anything else. Those images still resonated with people because it was the human connection that came through. I think I've always been a creative person. I've always been interested in aesthetics and in beauty. I'm trying to find some sort of truth. I'm trying to find something that connects me to the person I'm photographing. That's how I make sense of the world. My work is not just for me. It's to share, it's to be in community. It's to be a part of something outside of myself. The creative process is just that, it's a process. You can learn technically how to be a good photographer, but why? Nobody can solve that but you. You have to figure out your why, and that's what's going to make your images unique and real.